y'all. All right, y'all. Yes, I am back with another video. Y'all know I'm coming with these videos, right? All right, so today I am doing a first impressions like review on the Maybelline Superstay full coverage. Wait a minute. On the Maybelline Superstay full coverage foundation, y'all. It says it lasts up to 24 hours. This is what it looks like. Excuse my nails. That's what it looks like. All right. It says it is a full coverage foundation. It lasts up to 24 hours of wear. Seamless matte finish. Breathable and comfortable, fade and transfer resistant. I have a big problem with that with my other Maybelline Fit Me foundation. What else? Oil free, doesn't clog pores, dermatologist tested. Yeah, and that's it, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out. This is gonna be my first foundation review. I usually use the Maybelline Fit Me in 360, and this is also the Maybelline 360 Mocha. So I guess that's 360 Mocha also, the Fit Me that I use. But I thought that maybe I should just go ahead and get the same color. Hopefully this matches my skin. I do not know because it kind of looks a little dark. I don't know. I'm dark skinned though. So anyway, we're about to start right now. All I do to prep my face is, first of all, I wash my face. And then I put this LA Girl Pro Prep HD High Definition Smoothing Face Primer on. Let's go ahead and do that. Y'all, Murder Show is down there doing a commentary, so y'all may hear him. I hope y'all don't, but y'all just may. And I have my hair like this because I'm about to do a wig review. Y'all will see the wig that I'm going to review at the end of this video. But the review will be in another video. So I'm gonna put that all over my face. Y'all, I'm actually getting ready for a video on my Yummy Bites TV channel. Y'all go subscribe to my Yummy Bites TV channel. Link is gonna be in the description box. Go ahead and shake this up. I don't even know if it needs to be shaken, but they said there's a pump. Of course, I watched a bunch of reviews, so if I didn't know that there was a pump, I would have twisted it because the last one was a twist. Oh, and y'all, I got this from HEB, okay, for I believe $97 or $9.99. From the reviews that I saw, people are getting this from Ulta for like $11.99. I'm like, why such a big price difference? Like, y'all could literally go to HEB. I'm pretty sure Walmart has it too because they carry Maybelline. Yeah, there we go. So has a pump on that bad boy. Boom, y'all see that pump? All right, so I'm just gonna pump it on my face because that's what I've been seeing everybody else do, because they say that the beauty blender takes up too much of the product. So I'm gonna listen to people who know more than me about makeup, because I certainly don't know much about makeup. But I know I have to wear this makeup every day for my shows. So, all right, y'all, so I'm using the Milani Make It Last setting spray to wet my beauty blender. Okay, go on in. Blend this out. Oh my gosh. It's a little red. Oh, it's definitely matte, which is what I live for, a matte face. What do y'all think? Y'all let me know in the comments. Do y'all think it's my color? Because I'm not like an expert on color. I just be happy when they have dark colors, period. I think it's okay. Do y'all think it's too red? Like, does it match my neck? Isn't that what it's supposed to do, match your neck? Anyway, I love the coverage. It's definitely full coverage for my face. I don't have much like to cover, I don't believe. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. And I'm going to finish the rest of my face. I'm gonna speed this part up, y'all. I use the same products, so it's gonna be nothing different, y'all. Nothing different at all. You can check one of my other makeup videos to see the products that I use. But I'm gonna show y'all some of them. But I'm gonna speed this part up. this is it. Y'all, this foundation is super matte. Like, I literally didn't even need to put powder over the foundation because it was just matte. Like, it looked like I had already put powder on my face, y'all. So this is gonna be my new staple foundation. I know I'm going from $5.97 to $9 and I believe 97 cents, but I do not care, y'all. I do not care. I love it. I love it because I'm an oily girl, y'all. Like, my skin is so freaking oily. It is ridiculous, and I have to have something super duper matte. I don't even spray the setting spray on my face because I used to actually, but I don't do it anymore because I feel like it makes me oily faster. And your girl tries to stay away from the oil because it seems like I get oily within like 5 minutes. Like, it's ridiculous. So yeah, this is the unit that I'll be doing a review on next. It will be the next video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, y'all let me know in the comments, you know, if y'all think this is the right color for my skin. Am I pulled in enough? Because I know I heard some people saying that I need to get closer to the camera. Okay, that's it, y'all. I highly recommend you to go and try this. Pick it up and try it. It's not expensive at all, so it's worth a try. If you are an oily girl, this is perfect for your skin. I'm not a makeup expert, but I know that this is some good daggone me foundation. It has like a I think it has a thicker consistency than the Fit Me foundation. And I love that. And it dries really fast, so you have to blend it in quickly. Okay, you can't just let it sit on your face because it will sit there and it will be hard to blend. So make sure you blend it right away. And y'all, before y'all go, please thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share everywhere. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.